Imagine a battlefield where decisions are made in milliseconds, where machines outthink humans, and where the line between reality and simulation blurs. Welcome to the era of AI warfare, a new frontier in military technology that could redefine the nature of conflict forever. The journey began decades ago with the advent of military computers and early drone technology. Today, AI-driven surveillance systems and autonomous combat drones are already in use, showcasing the rapid evolution of military capabilities. AI algorithms now analyze battlefield data in real time, assisting soldiers in making split-second decisions. As we stand on the brink of this technological revolution, the implications for global security and ethics are profound. Autonomous drones capable of swarming enemy defenses are no longer science fiction. These AI-driven machines can communicate, adapt, and strike with precision, all without human intervention. Current research focuses on enhancing their coordination and resilience. Future developments aim to integrate advanced AI for real-time decision-making and complex mission execution. Cyber warfare involves the use of digital attacks to disrupt, damage, or gain unauthorized access to computer systems. AI enhances these attacks by automating processes, making them faster and more efficient. Notable examples include the Stuxnet worm, which targeted Iran's nuclear facilities, the WannaCry ransomware attack, and the SolarWinds breach. AI's role in these scenarios is crucial, as it can identify vulnerabilities, launch attacks, and even adapt strategies in real time. AI is revolutionizing surveillance, but what does this mean for privacy and freedom? With the ability to analyze millions of data points in real time, AI can track movements and predict threats. AI-powered facial recognition systems are already in use, identifying individuals in crowds. Drones and long-range surveillance equipment can monitor activities from miles away. These technologies raise significant concerns about the erosion of privacy and freedom. On the training ground, AI is creating hyper-realistic simulations that prepare soldiers for the chaos of war. These virtual battlefields are so advanced that they can predict enemy strategies and adapt to every move. The benefits include enhanced realism and adaptability, but limitations remain. Can they truly prepare us for the unpredictability of human conflict? The rise of AI warfare has sparked a global debate. Should machines have the power to decide who lives and who dies? Who is accountable when an AI makes a fatal mistake? These are questions that demand answers before it's too late. Some argue that AI can reduce human casualties by making precise decisions. Others fear the loss of human oversight and moral judgment. Potential solutions include strict regulations and ethical programming. International cooperation is crucial to address these ethical dilemmas. Major world powers are racing to develop AI-driven weapons, fueling a new arms race. The stakes are higher than ever, and the consequences of this competition could reshape the balance of power or lead to catastrophic outcomes. The geopolitical implications are profound. Nations are not only investing in AI for military superiority, but also for strategic dominance. Future scenarios could range from AI-driven deterrence to full-scale AI warfare, altering the very nature of global conflict. As we look to the stars, AI is already shaping the realm of space warfare. From controlling satellites to monitoring space for potential threats, AI technologies are evolving rapidly. The future might see autonomous space defense systems and AI-driven space combat. But it doesn't have to be this way. AI has the potential to save lives, prevent conflicts, and rebuild nations. For instance, AI-driven early warning systems can predict natural disasters, allowing for timely evacuations and saving countless lives. AI algorithms can mediate peace talks by analyzing data to find common ground between conflicting parties. AI-powered education platforms can bring learning to remote areas, and AI in sustainable agriculture can help rebuild economies. The choice is ours. Will we use this technology to protect humanity or to destroy it? AI warfare is no longer a distant possibility. It's here. The question is, how will we wield this power responsibly? The future of humanity depends on the decisions we make today to ensure a safe and secure world. So, if you found this video thought-provoking, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's start a conversation about the future of AI and its impact on our world. Check the description for resources to learn more and get involved. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is in our hands. As we delve deeper into the realm of AI and warfare, one crucial aspect that demands our attention is the role of international regulations and treaties. These frameworks are essential in controlling the use of AI in military applications. Currently, there are several efforts underway to establish guidelines and standards. The United Nations has been at the forefront, pushing for the development of international norms. The Convention on Certain Conventional Weapons, CCW, has initiated discussions on lethal autonomous weapon systems aiming to curb their unregulated use. However, creating effective treaties and regulations is fraught with challenges. The rapid pace of technological advancement often outstrips the slow process of international diplomacy. Additionally, there is a lack of consensus among global powers on what constitutes acceptable use of AI in warfare. Despite these hurdles, the importance of international cooperation cannot be overstated. Without a unified approach, the risk of an AI arms race increases, potentially leading to catastrophic consequences. As citizens of the world, it's our responsibility to advocate for robust international regulations. By staying informed and involved, we can contribute to a safer and more ethical future. As we explore the future of AI in warfare, it's crucial to consider the economic implications. The development of AI-driven military technologies comes with significant costs. Research and development in this field requires substantial investment, often funded by national defense budgets. This allocation of resources can impact other critical areas such as healthcare, education, and infrastructure. Moreover, the operational costs of maintaining and upgrading AI systems continue to rise. Advanced AI technologies need constant updates and cybersecurity measures to prevent potential breaches, adding to the financial burden. On the other hand, proponents argue that AI can lead to cost savings in the long run by reducing the need for human soldiers and minimizing casualties. However, the economic impact extends beyond direct costs. The rise of AI in warfare has the potential to cause significant job displacement. As autonomous systems and robots take on roles traditionally performed by humans, many military and defense industry jobs may become obsolete. This shift could lead to economic instability and require large-scale workforce retraining programs. Additionally, the global AI arms race could spur increased military spending among nations, diverting funds from social programs and exacerbating economic inequalities. This competitive environment might also lead to an escalation in international tensions, further straining economic resources. In conclusion, while AI warfare presents technological advancements, it also poses substantial economic challenges. Balancing the benefits and costs will be critical in navigating this complex landscape. As global citizens, it is imperative to stay informed and advocate for policies that prioritize ethical and economic stability in the face of rapid technological change. As we delve deeper into the ramifications of AI warfare, it's essential to address the psychological effects on both soldiers and civilians. The landscape of conflict is rapidly evolving, and with it, the mental health challenges faced by those involved. AI warfare introduces new stresses that can exacerbate mental health issues. Soldiers operating alongside autonomous systems or controlling drones from remote locations might experience a disconnection from the battlefield, leading to a unique form of trauma. The detachment can result in increased feelings of guilt and helplessness as the traditional sense of camaraderie and shared risk diminishes. Moreover, the high-stakes nature of cyber warfare and AI-driven operations demands constant vigilance, contributing to chronic stress and burnout. The pressure to make split-second decisions can be overwhelming, potentially leading to severe anxiety and long-term psychological repercussions. Civilians are not immune to these effects either. The unpredictability of AI attacks, whether through cyber means or drone strikes, can create an environment of constant fear and uncertainty. This atmosphere can contribute to widespread anxiety and, in extreme cases, collective trauma within affected communities. Additionally, the ethical implications of AI warfare can weigh heavily on the minds of those involved. The moral ambiguity of delegating life and death decisions to machines can lead to significant cognitive dissonance, further aggravating mental health issues like PTSD. In conclusion, while AI warfare offers strategic advantages, it also brings a host of psychological challenges that must be addressed. Providing adequate mental health support and fostering open discussions about these issues are crucial steps in mitigating the impact on soldiers and civilians alike. As we move forward in this new era of conflict, prioritizing mental well-being is paramount. As we navigate the complexities of AI in warfare, it's crucial to also recognize its potential for humanitarian efforts during and after conflicts. AI technology can play a pivotal role in disaster response and recovery, offering innovative solutions to mitigate the suffering caused by war. During conflicts, AI-powered systems can assist in identifying safe zones and evacuation routes for civilians, leveraging real-time data to make informed decisions. These systems can analyze satellite imagery, social media posts, and other data sources to provide accurate and timely information, ensuring that aid reaches those in need swiftly and efficiently. In the aftermath of conflicts, AI can be instrumental in rebuilding efforts. Autonomous drones equipped with AI can survey damaged infrastructure, assess the extent of destruction, and prioritize areas requiring immediate attention. This technology can expedite the rebuilding process, enabling communities to recover faster and more effectively. Moreover, AI's role extends to healthcare in conflict zones. AI-driven medical diagnostics can aid in identifying and treating injuries, even in remote or inaccessible areas. Machine learning algorithms can analyze medical data to predict disease outbreaks, allowing for proactive measures to prevent further health crises. AI can also facilitate psychological support for affected populations. Chatbots and virtual counselors powered by AI can provide immediate mental health assistance, offering a lifeline to those grappling with the trauma of conflict. Furthermore, AI's ability to manage logistics and supply chains ensures that humanitarian aid is distributed efficiently. By optimizing routes and resources, AI can minimize delays and ensure that essentials such as food, water, and medical supplies reach those in dire need. In conclusion, while AI's role in warfare raises significant ethical and psychological concerns, its application in humanitarian efforts presents a beacon of hope. By harnessing AI's capabilities for disaster response and recovery, we can alleviate the human suffering caused by conflicts and pave the way for a more resilient and compassionate world. Visual gentle music fades out, transition to next scene. As we delve deeper into the multifaceted applications of AI, it becomes evident that its influence extends beyond traditional warfare. AI's potential in non-military conflicts such as corporate espionage and political manipulation presents new challenges for global security. In the corporate world, AI-powered tools can be employed to conduct sophisticated espionage activities. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to uncover trade secrets, financial information, and strategic plans. By infiltrating corporate networks, AI can extract sensitive information without leaving a trace, posing significant risks to businesses and economies. Moreover, AI's capability to generate deep fakes and manipulate media presents a formidable tool for political manipulation. Advanced AI algorithms can create convincing fake videos and audio recordings, spreading disinformation and influencing public opinion. These tactics can destabilize governments, incite conflicts, and undermine democratic processes. The implications for global security are profound. As AI technologies evolve, the line between military and non-military conflicts blurs, creating a complex landscape where traditional defense mechanisms may prove inadequate. International regulations and collaborative efforts are crucial to mitigate these risks and ensure that AI is used responsibly. While AI offers remarkable potential for innovation and progress, it also necessitates a vigilant approach to safeguard against its misuse. By understanding and addressing the risks associated with AI in non-military conflicts, we can work towards a secure and stable global environment. Visual, suspenseful music fades out, transition to end screen. Visual, dramatic music fades out.